Yo, what's up guys? I got a million requests on this recipe, my smoothie recipe, protein drink. And it's very nutritious at the same time, so I'm gonna show you a demonstration on how to make this. So we got ice, we got NutriBullet, we got the ice to make it cold still. Alright, now what am I gonna put in here next? I put the almond milk in here. I put a little bit of quarter of the drink. Alright, I got my chia seed. Put in here first to soak up the liquid. Just a little bit, you don't want to go overboard, else you get a stomach ache. Stir it up a little bit. Okay. We got the blueberry, we gotta get those antioxidants in here. So I'll put a little bit in here. Gotta get some fruit in there, get some fiber, do some digestion. Alright, we got famous avocado. I brag about these all the time. I'm gonna put it in here. So I experimented with this. It tastes pretty amazing. Oh yeah! Okay, I'm gonna scoop this baby out of here. Perfect. Put it right in there. So I'm gonna put a little bit of cacao. Pour that in here a little bit, just a spoon. Now I'm gonna put the Maca Powder. Got these from Trader Joe's, tastes legit. Supposedly gives you good energy. Just put a spoonful in there. I'm really good at measuring. Collagen from Costco. I'm like, might as well put this in here. I just put 1 scoop. You know, gotta get that good skin. And for some protein, I've been using the organic one because I ran out of my other proteins. But if you're trying to make some gains, I would get some whey protein. If you're trying to stay low on the dairy products, this is a good one. Okay, I'm gonna put a couple scoops in there because, you know, I'm trying to get a little bit of muscle. And this all depends. It depends on how much protein you want in your drink. And then a famous almond butter. I stopped using peanut butter because I've been getting an allergic reaction to it because I've been cleansing my body, so I'm more sensitive to the allergens in the peanut butter. And it's not that great for you anyway, but so this is a good alternative, which is the almond butter. Okay, I put some of this almond butter in here. I'm gonna put a little bit, I'm just gonna put a spoonful of this. Okay, perfect. I like to go all out on this, you know. This is kind of like a PB&J protein shake with some healthy alternatives in it. No added ice cream like, you know, all the other places. You know. Oh great, I just got all over the table. Alright, these are all the ingredients known to man to make the famous protein shake. I pretty much invented it, someone else probably did too, but now it's time to blend it. NutriBullet is the way to go. I got the magic bullet over here. It doesn't work that great, but this is legit if you want to make protein smoothies all the time. It kind of tastes like pudding or an ice cream smoothie actually. It's very thick. If you want to make it less thick, you put some more almond milk in there. So this actually tastes great as a pudding. But if you want it into a protein shake, I would put more almond milk in there. This is the famous smoothie right here. It tastes pretty legit. So if you want to see some more smoothie videos or you want to see more recipes, exercises, save this video, share this video if anyone would like to see this, and have a nice day. Peace!